Hello, everyone. Welcome today in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, October the 20th, 2021. Here in this additional, we have 6 extra puzzles. The first one is a letter Sudoku, then a 2 stars, a 3 stars. We have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. Total of 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles I'm not interested, so the first one I will solve, because I won't do them all. Too much for me, time consuming. Only half of them I will solve, and the first one I will solve will be a number. It's a 3 stars Sudoku, will be number 3564. All right. So before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me count. For 3 stars, it's always 25. But let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 4 is 8. Plus 3 is 11. Plus 2 is 13. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Plus 4 is 25. Correct. 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. Yes, the 2 stars, this one has 26, the 1 star 27, and the 4 stars 24. All right, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in the third column is the number 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. We see another 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. All right. 3 missing numbers now in the third column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in this box. There's 6, no 6 in that box, so 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in the third column for the numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Alright. Okay. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So the last column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 5 missing numbers now in the last column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and a 9. We have a 1 and a 9 in this big square. So no 1 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. 9, 8. Ooh, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. There 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7. 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7. And look, we have a 3 and a 7 in this row. So no 3 and a 7 in this box. The 3 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 7. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. One box left in the last column for the number 4. So we have a 4 in the third row, 4 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And then. How about the number? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We see there 707 in these two boxes. Here 707 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 505 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and the 8. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. Okay, 4 and 8. Then. 8, 2, 2. Okay. How about 5, 5? I'm thinking 6, 6. 2, 5, 5, 5. 2 and 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in this box. So the 5 could be here, could be there. The other two numbers are the 2 and the 8. The 2 and the 8 are missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. So the 8 goes together with the 5 as a pair. We have 8 there, so this box here me 8. So one digit left in this big square for number 2. We have an 8 in one of those two boxes in this column. So this box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 4. Alright, so we have a 4 in this column. 4 in the last column. So the column between, only place for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9. Look, we have a 1 and a 9 there. So no 1 and a 9 in this box. The 1 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9. 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in the last row is the number 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 here. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row be above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Lucky 7, number 1. Yes. Then 2 numbers left in the last row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and the 8. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. So we have a 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there, and all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. Then. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in those 2 boxes. So we have an 8 in those 2 boxes. 2 boxes left for the 8. Should be here or there. Now we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row. So this box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 5. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. There 5, no 5 in that box. 1 box left for the 5. It should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column and the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. Okay. Okay. Then. How about the number? Let me see which number I can use. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in the third column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. The 2 is missing. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Okay. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Now I have an 8 there. So this box cannot be an 8 anymore. I've marked those 2 boxes with 8. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 8. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. 1 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, and 4 is missing. 1 and the 4 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here also 2 numbers left in this column. The 9 is missing. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. The 1 is missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 1, 2, yes. 2, 2, 2. Double check. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in a row above. So on that row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. 1 number left in this big square. For the number 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers. No. 1 number left in the third row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8. The 9 is missing, of course. 9. Yes, 9. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number. So 1 is missing, 2, and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3. We see here 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. 2 final numbers in this big square for the numbers. 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 4 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow! For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, I have solved this in 60 minutes. So is this really a 3 stars? No. I give this a 2 stars. Yes. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later for the second puzzle I will do in this additional. It will be a binary puzzle. See you then. Bye-bye for now.